Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable dark mode on the Zen web browser. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Zen web browser. Then from here we need to get into settings. So to do that, we need to click on the three dots top right hand corner of the page and then click into settings. Once we're inside settings, on the left we should be in the general tab, but we need to click into the look and feel tab. Now once we're here, we want to scroll down. Now once we're on this page, we want to scroll down, and under look and feel, it's got manage Zen themes in extensions and themes. So we need to click into that. Once we're here, we want to click onto themes, manage your themes. So we've got dark theme or light theme or system theme, which is auto. So if you want to enable to light theme, go ahead and click on enable, or disable it to get in the dark mode, into dark mode. So I'm going to keep mine in light mode.